What is up, gang? We got some stuff to do in the grow today. I am going to be installing 3 new fans to the existing 3 that were replaced from AC Infinity. Once again, you can check out my video about the AC Infinity replacement fans. Big ups, AC Infinity, and thank you once again. And big shout out to my sponsors, TNB Naturals, keeping my plants alive with that CO2 right there, my friends. So what we're going to be doing today is we got throw in and install these 3 fans. I'm going to be putting a refill on the TNB bottle and some defense for the whole garden. And then lastly, I'm going to be staking these girls all off. So in a attempt to even further spread out the canopy and then give them some structure as they bulk up, I'm going to place these awesome stakes. You can pick these up on Amazon, but you know, I just noticed today, who has these? AC Infinity. They have their own version of these, and if I would have seen them before I got these, I'm more than likely would have purchased those. But regardless, I got these fairly cheap on Amazon. No splinters, washable. They're not going to hold any bacterias or nasties. You can use them over and over again. So, and they're rugged, and they actually have these little notches so that when you put them in the soil, you could theoretically cut these, and then that gives you a nice grip, something to hold on to. So when you want to make cross sections and cages with these, so multifaceted. But we're going to do all that today. So I'm going to basically just speed up some of this footage and let's get into this. Okay, so if you have an AC Infinity fan, like one of these that are over here, that fan right there oscillates at the same spot where all the cords oscillate above that. So the cords and everything oscillate with the fan. What AC Infinity has done, which is ingenious, is they have taken and now the oscillation is occurring at this point, and the cords are all staying stationary, which is now going to eliminate multiple things. As you see, the distance from the oscillation and the fan now is greater, the distance there, and the cord movement has been eliminated, which is going to eliminate the cords from getting wear and tear and getting short where that constant oscillation is occurring. So now that's not of a concern. When I first put this on the bar, I said to myself, oh no, this is going to bump into this when it oscillates. That's when I realized that the motor sits either up or above or below in one of these mechanisms here, and now this is where all the power, all the circuitry is. So that's great. Killer job, AC Infinity. Yeah, once again, guys, you can see how the oscillation occurs where the cords stay stationary. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And now look at this. Thank you, AC Infinity, because now I am running 6, 1 on every pillar. Talk about gentle airflow, guys. And the ladies are loving it. Now I just need an AC Infinity tent to match. Little pest control. Green Grow makes this defense here, and this stuff is rad. It's got garlic, cloves, cinnamon, peppermint, white pepper. It's got mustard powder, silica, soybean meal. It's just kind of an all-round defense mechanism. Why do we say silica? Because silica strengthens the plant. It's going to give it some vigor that is going to help defend itself against issues. So this stuff's pretty cool. You can brew it like a tea, 24 hours, just like you would into a compost tea or by itself, and water it in, or you could just scratch it in the surface. I like to line it up around the plant, scratch it in lightly. Since I'm in the autopot system, it'll lightly water itself. And now anything that comes in here is going to dislike all of these organic natural ingredients and stay the hell off the plant. So you know, and guys, this stuff smells amazing. You haven't smelled this stuff. Just think of Thanksgiving dinner. It has so many wonderful. It smells like a good meal, or somebody's cooking something delicious down in the basement. Every time you come in your tent, you'll be like, "Whoa, this stuff is wild." I love it. It was a wonderful job of strengthening the plants. You guys, going to go over to Green Grow and pick up anything. You got a discount code, Shadow.strain. That'll get you a little discount. And we got our final part of the grow puzzle for the day. And that's going to be filling up our enhancer. And this is real simple more. So let's fill this up. It's really simple. We're going to take our enhancer refill. We're going to pop the top off of that. We're going to take our enhancer bottle, right? And we're going to, boom, fill her up. And the way TNB has made this, all of this connects, right? So I'm not making any spills. I'm not making any mess. I'm going to shake off all the last little bit of goodness that's in that pack there. Okay. And there we go. Got that. Boom. All that's in there. And we're going to close that up. And off that goes. Now you're going to take your bottle with your powder. And you're going to take 1 liter of warm water. And just fill her up. Boom. Now you got your 1 liter of warm water in there. You're going to take their cap. You're going to put it back on that bottle. You're going to tighten that up a little bit. You're going to take your next cap. You're going to put that back on top of that bottle. Boom. And there you go. Now what you're going to do is the fun part. Shake. And for the first round, I like to give it a real good shake. Make sure all that got dissolved. And then there you go.